Hi, my name is Bill, and today I want to show you how to replace your Agitator inner cap O-ring. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or torn, or because you're getting fabric softener leaking down into the Agitator. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do, open up our washer. You see here, there's a cap. So what we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver, pry this cap off. There we go. And right down here is our inner cap. To get that out, all we have to do is simply reach in there, and grab onto the little handle, pull it out. So this is the O-ring on our inner cap. As you can see, it's seen better days. So we're going to remove that to get it off. Once again, I'll be using my flathead screwdriver and pry that off. Just pull that out. And get rid of that. I want to wash off the inner cap so that we don't get any of that dust inside when we put the new O-ring on. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement O-ring. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So to put this on, all we have to do is simply slide the O-ring over the top and just align it with the groove there. And go all the way around. There we go. Now we can put the cap back inside the Agitator, and we can snap on the cover, close your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.